Are you subscribed to mobile content which you no longer want? You may have subscribed to these mobile content for games, news, or other infotainments, or you may have unknowingly subscribed after being led on by pop-up ads or scam messages. Whichever the case, you may be charged weekly or monthly continuously until you terminate the service. Here's how you can easily cancel the subscription. Refer to the SMS command in the original subscription message. Send STOP or STOP ALL to the indicated number. You will receive a confirmation on the cancellation. That's it. If you're still facing difficulties, reach out to us via Twitter, Facebook, or our contact center for further assistance. To safeguard yourself, do be aware of what you click on and always read through T&Cs before agreeing. Be cautious about sharing your personal data and never share your OTP or tech PIN with anyone else. Be responsible and share these tips across.